So we start in the push-up position. You want your hands shoulder width apart. Elbow pits are going to be facing forwards. Okay, abs are nice and tight, glutes are engaged. And we're going to start this exercise by lowering ourselves down to the ground until our scapula feel like they're touching. From there, we're going to push the ground away from us, keep the abs nice and tight, and try and push the scapula apart. So you're pushing up towards the ceiling. Then we're going back down, nice and controlled. We've got to do this whilst keeping our arms nice and straight, okay?